Are you staring at a wall of camping fuel options and have no idea which one to grab? You're not alone. The wrong fuel can leave you cold, hungry, and frustrated in the middle of nowhere. In this video, we're breaking down the best camping stove fuel options on the market right now, so you always pick the right one before your next trip. Let's get into it. Number 1. Gas 1 Butane Fuel Canister. Gas 1 Butane Fuel Canister is one of the most budget-friendly options you'll find, and it delivers a clean, consistent flame that works great with most portable tabletop stoves. The 8-ounce aerosol-style canister is super easy to snap in and go. No fuss, no complicated setup. If you're cooking at a campsite with mild weather, this thing gets the job done. The one thing to keep in mind is that pure butane doesn't love the cold. Below freezing, the performance starts to drop off. But if you're car camping or cooking at a picnic, that's rarely an issue. A great budget pick for casual campers. Next up, the Gas 1 Isobutane Fuel Canister, and this one's a step up for anyone hitting the trail. It runs on an isobutane propane blend, which means it performs noticeably better in cooler temperatures compared to standard butane. The threaded canister design connects cleanly to most backpacking stoves, and the compact size makes it easy to toss in your pack. It does cost a bit more than plain butane, and you'll need a stove with threaded compatibility, but that's a small trade-off for the improved efficiency. If you hike often and want reliable fuel, this is your go-to. A solid pick for backpackers who need dependable cold weather performance. Coming in at number 3, the Neon Isobutane Fuel Canister, built with ultralight camping in mind. This lightweight threaded canister delivers stable pressure and efficient heat output, making it a great match for minimalist setups. It handles high altitude conditions well, which is a big plus for mountain campers. The trade-off is that it's a smaller canister, so it won't last as long on extended trips. You may need to pack multiples for longer adventures. Still, for ultralight backpackers looking to cut weight without cutting performance, this is a smart choice. Number 4. Hot Devil Isobutane Fuel Canister. The Hot Devil Isobutane Fuel Canister is all about cold weather performance in a compact package. It burns efficiently and maintains a reliable flame output even when temperatures start to drop. Great news if you're trekking in colder climates. The canister is small and light, which fits perfectly in a packed-out bag. On the downside, the smaller fuel volume means you'll burn through it faster on longer trips, and it comes at a slightly higher price point than butane. But when you're out in the cold and need your stove to actually work, Hot Devil delivers. Best for cold weather backpacking and winter trekking. Halfway through our list, meet the Chef Master Butane Fuel Canister. This one is built around high-purity butane fuel, giving you a clean, consistent heat that's perfect for camp cooking with portable tabletop stoves. It's widely compatible and super easy to replace when you run out. Just pop in a new one. Like all butane canisters, it loses efficiency in freezing temps and at higher elevations. But for casual cookouts, car camping, or casual outdoor meals, this delivers chef-grade performance at an everyday price. A reliable choice for casual cooking setups. Number 6. Goodora's Solid Fuel Tablets. Switching gears, the Goodora Solid Fuel Tablets are something completely different, and honestly, they might save your life someday. These waterproof solid fuel tablets are built for emergency situations and ultralight minimalist camping. They light up fast, resist wind surprisingly well, and pack down to almost nothing. They do have a noticeable fuel odor when burning, and they're not designed for long cooking sessions. But as a backup fuel in your emergency kit or survival bag, these are an absolute must-have. Excellent for emergency preparedness and ultralight adventurers. Next, the legendary Esbit Fuel Tablets, a trusted name in survival circles for decades. These hexamine solid fuel cubes burn with minimal smoke and ignite quickly, making them ideal for low-key emergency cooking or ultralight backpacking. They have an incredibly long shelf life, so you can stash them and forget about them until you need them. They don't put out as much heat as gas fuels, and there is some odor during burn, just something to be aware of. But for reliability, portability, and shelf life, isobutane is hard to beat. The go-to survival fuel for emergency kits and minimalist hikers. Number 8. Gas One Chafing Fuel. Now this one's a little different from the rest. The Gas One Chafing Fuel is a gel-based fuel designed for steady, low-heat warming over several hours. Think buffet setups, catering events, or base camp food warming. It's simple to use. Just open the can, light it, and walk away. It's not made for high-heat cooking or backpacking, so don't expect to boil water fast with this one. But for keeping food warm over a long period at a group campsite or outdoor event, nothing does it better. Perfect for camp kitchens and buffet-style outdoor dining. Number 9. Sondico Butane Gas. Coming in close to the end, Sondico Butane Gas earns its spot with a focus on safety and reliable ignition. The canister is built with an explosion-proof design, which adds a layer of peace of mind when storing and using it around camp. It works with a wide range of stoves and culinary torches, giving it serious versatility. Cold weather will limit its performance, like all butane options, so it's better suited for mild to warm conditions. But for a clean-burning, safely designed butane canister that works with multiple tools, Sondico is a dependable, everyday option, great for torches, camp stoves, and versatile outdoor cooking. Closing out our list, Instafire Camping Fuel is one of those products that feels almost magical the first time you use it. These compact, waterproof fuel packets ignite almost instantly and get a fire going fast, even in tough outdoor conditions. They're light, packable, and make a great emergency fire starting solution. Keep in mind, Instafire is more of a fire starter than a primary cooking fuel, so it won't replace your gas canister for meal prep. But for quickly starting a fire in wet or windy conditions, or as a reliable emergency backup, these little packets punch way above their weight, an essential addition to any emergency kit or off-grid adventure pack. So, there you have it, the best camping stove fuel options for every kind of adventurer. If I had to pick two standouts, I'd go with the Gas One isobutane canister for backpacking and the isobutane tablets for emergency kits. Check the links in the description to grab yours. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a gear guide.